Hi, welcome back. My name's Kari Waltz. I share tips, tools, and techniques for the artist in you. And today I am going to hopefully tempt you to find some kind of art event that you can attend that will inspire you to continue on. I just got back from 2 weeks in Florida attending Plein Air South and the Forgotten Coast on Plein Air. I was a volunteer for part of the time, and I learned so much from watching the pros who do this all the time. One of the things that has really improved my work is working more from life. And if you haven't done the plein air scene, give it a try. Just go out, do some sketching. Don't worry about what equipment that you have. You'll find what works for you. Don't take everything. I took a lot, but it was all in my trunk, and I could just pull out what I needed. But you don't have to have a fancy easel. You can have something as simple as a setup in your lap. But take a look at some of the pictures and the camaraderie of the artists and the instructors, and sign up for something. Go find a place that you can be inspired. So I am just thrilled. I have a book full of notes and a camera full of photos. And I did a few plein air sketches and paintings all myself while I was there, and I'll share some of those with you later. But I am inspired to go out again. I've already booked my next event. It's in the Smoky Mountains in September and October. So check that out. Two of my favorite things, hiking in the Smokies and painting. And they're having their first plein air event this year. So I am so excited. Yeah, my husband doesn't even know about that yet. Anyway, take a look at this last event, the photos, few videos I'll include, and sign up for something for yourself. You're worth it.
Oh my gosh, we just looked around. And it's cold. Going back to the car. Took refuge in the car. It is just flat cold outside. I don't know how high the winds are, but you can see.